Hey, how's it going? I want to talk about our favorite thing, the blog. Whoever came up with that word blog maybe had some like food stuck in their mouth or something. I don't know. It's the worst word ever. And whenever we talk about blogs, nobody likes it. So today I'm going to talk about 5 things that can help drive traffic to your website with the blog. The first thing is value. Does your blog share value that people actually want? Or does the blog just, share about how awesome your mom thinks you are and how cool you are? The blog should share value where people find it helpful. Make content that's interesting, that adds value. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is once you create that blog and you put it on your website, put it in an email blast. Send it out another way, leverage it, right? That's the second thing. Leverage your blog, put it in an email, personalize the email, and share it with people. The third thing is put it on your social media. I'm using LinkedIn a lot, so take the blog post and put it on LinkedIn, and then that makes you a little author. You get this really cool little stickery deal on your name that says author, so that increases your value. The fourth thing is put stats in your blog. So if you've got data, hard data, people really like that. 9 out of 10 people, buy toilet paper like a crazy person. Whatever data you have, put that in there. People like the hard facts. And then the fourth thing is use killer headline. Google likes it if you use 5 to 7 words for your headline. So just brainstorm, write down 5 to 10 different headlines for your blog, and then pick the one that is 5 to 7 words, and make it interesting, make it funny, make it offensive. Just don't make it boring. Okay. I'd rather everybody hate it than not even notice it. So put something funny in there, make it mysterious, make it unique. So that's 5 things you can do right now to increase traffic with your website by using your blog.